Our double strap process provides the same benefits as our basic process. The double strap process has been designed for larger patients or patients with very sensitive legs, such as those with varicose veins. The double strap process, using straps sized to the patient's thighs and calves, distributes the stress points along the leg in these instances. The caregiver will need 2 sets of straps for the double strap process. One set will be attached above the knee, as in the basic process. The other set will be attached over the calf, below the knee. The caregiver begins by securing one set of straps to the patient's thigh, just above the knees. The other set below the knees, on the calves. In this case, we will be using our straps with Velcro fasteners. The Lavin Lift Strap comes in various sizes in order to ensure a secure fit. The secure fit around the leg is necessary in order to avoid slippage when lifting the patient. The straps will be fastened with the loops positioned face up. As in the basic process, our demonstration is being done in real time. Once securely fastened to the legs of the patient, the caregiver will then position the patient lift over the straps, closer to the straps that are attached to the thighs of the patient. She will then attach the straps to the patient lift. The straps will be attached to the T-bar using strap adapters. Once the straps have been attached to the patient lift, the caregiver simply pushes the button, which allows the patient lifter to gently lift the patient sufficiently high for the changing and cleaning of the patient. The double strap process also allows the caregiver to lift the patient's lower body higher than the basic process allows. As with the basic process, the caregiver throughout the process has done virtually no lifting. The patient being suspended should not be kept up longer than required for the prescribed treatment. Lavin lift straps should never be used for transport or restraint. Lavin Incorporated is providing general orientation and instruction regarding our products in this video. Upon request, we will be pleased to provide further information to healthcare providers, caregivers, and others interested in our products. Nothing in this or other Lavin Incorporated presentations should be construed as medical advice.